Hey everyone, today we're covering the best secured credit cards for 2025. In this video, you'll learn top 5 secured cards that actually build credit, how much deposit you need, which cards become unsecured automatically, biggest mistakes to avoid, expected credit score improvements. Whether you're starting fresh or rebuilding credit, this video shows you exactly which secured card to get and how to use it right. Let's jump in. A secured credit card can help you build or rebuild your credit if few other options are available. These cards work the same as traditional credit cards, but require you to put down a security deposit. Card number 1, Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards. Credit card Burr rewards rate 5%, unlimited cash back on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars booked through Capital One. Travel 1.5%, unlimited cash back on every purchase, everywhere benefits, no annual or hidden fees. See if you're approved in seconds. Earn back your $200 security deposit as a statement credit when you follow card best use practices, such as making payments on time. Be automatically considered for a higher credit in 6 months with no additional deposit. You may be automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months. With responsible use, such as not making late payments, you could earn your security deposit back and upgrade to an unsecured Quicksilver card. Why we like it: the Capital One Quicksilver Secured makes it easy to earn cashback rewards. You don't have to worry about different spending categories or earning rates. It's simply 1.5% unlimited cash back on all your eligible purchases. Annual fee $0. Purchase April 29th. 74% variable recommended credit score. No credit history required. When you have bad credit, it can be difficult to know how to repair it. One of the best first steps you can take is getting a secured credit card. Using it responsibly shows lenders that you've learned from past mistakes and can reliably make all of your monthly payments on time. The Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards credit card is an excellent choice for improving credit because it has no annual fee, reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, and automatically reviews accounts for credit limit increases in as little as 6 months. There are 2 primary ways to earn cashback rewards with the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards. Credit card, making purchases, and referring friends. Cashback rewards on purchases. You'll earn an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase with this secured credit card. Whether you're buying groceries, filling up your gas tank, or paying utilities, each transaction earns the same cashback rate. If you have an upcoming trip, you can also use your card to book eligible hotels and rental cars through Capital One Travel, the issuer's travel portal, and earn a boosted 5% cashback. Using your card responsibly may lead to a higher credit limit, better credit score, and the ability to earn more rewards each month. Card number 2, Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. Getting approved for a new credit card can seem like an uphill battle if you've had past credit struggles. Fortunately, you might qualify for certain credit cards even with poor credit. Some card issuers offer secured credit cards, which require a deposit that typically serves as your credit limit. Because they're backed by a cash deposit, these cards are generally easier to qualify for than traditional credit cards. That said, you'll still need to meet specific income, debt, and other requirements to qualify. If you're in the market for a secured card, the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card is one option worth considering. Here's what you need to know about this card's deposit requirements, pros and cons, and who it's best for. Annual fee $0. Welcome offer, none card type is secured purchase. April 29th, 74% variable recommended credit score. No credit history required. Benefits, no annual or hidden fees. See if you're approved in seconds. Earn back your security deposit as a statement credit when you follow best practices, such as making payments on time. Be automatically considered for a higher credit in 6 months with no additional deposit. Capital One offers the chance to get pre-approved for this card. This can help you better understand your odds of approval before you submit a formal application and undergo a hard credit check. Reports to credit bureaus. Capital One reports your platinum secured card payments to the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. If you make payments on time and in full each month, it could improve your credit score. Automatic credit limit reviews. Capital One automatically reviews your account twice a year to determine your eligibility for a higher credit limit. Option to upgrade with responsible use. If you use your card responsibly, you could get your security deposit back and upgrade to the unsecured version of this card, the Capital One Platinum Creditor. Card number 3, Secured Self Visa Card. Having poor credit, or no credit at all, right, can make everything from qualifying for an apartment to getting a new cell phone more difficult. But a secured credit card, such as the Secured Self Visa Registered Trademark Credit Card, can help you establish and rebuild your credit. Previously, Self only allowed customers of its credit builder loans to apply for its credit card. However, the company announced in 2025 that it was eliminating that requirement, so the Secured Self Visa Card is now more accessible. Annual fee $0 for the first year, then $25 Welcome offer. For a limited time, new users will have the $25 annual fee waived for the first year purchase. April 28th, 24% variable recommended credit score. No credit history required. No credit check required. Your card activity is reported to all 3 credit bureaus, which can help build your credit minimum security deposit of $100 can be funded with a bank account, debit card, or self-credit builder account. If you're one of the millions of people in the US with less than stellar credit, according to Experian, 29% of Americans have a credit score in the poor to fair range. A secured card can be a useful tool as you rebuild your credit. Secured credit cards typically require an initial deposit that acts as your credit limit. Your activity on the card is reported to the major credit bureaus, so with a positive payment history and responsible use, your credit can increase over time. As of January 2025, the secured self-Visa credit card is available to the general public, and you can qualify for the card without a credit check. Plus, the self-Visa card has a low security deposit requirement. While some secured cards require users to deposit $200 or more, which could be a hardship if you're short on cash, the self-Visa card allows you to put down just $100. Self will automatically review your account, and based on your activity, you could qualify for a higher credit limit or an unsecured credit card in as little as 6 months. Charges a $25 annual fee, though new users can have the fee waived for the first year higher than average APR, currently 28.24% variable. Doesn't offer a rewards program. The maximum credit limit is just $3,000. Outdated FAQs. Online card number 4. Discover It Secured Credit Card. The Discover It registered trademark secured credit card doesn't require a credit score to apply. In fact, it helps build up your credit score by offering cardholders cashback rewards as an incentive for responsible credit behavior. Annual fee $0. Welcome offer. Discover will automatically match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year with no minimum spending requirement or maximum rewards. Cap purchase April 27th. 24% variable recommended credit score. No credit score required. Rewards rate 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants up to a combined $1,000 spent quarterly. 1% after that. 1% cash back on all other purchases. Benefits. No credit score required to apply. No annual fee. After 7 months, Discover will begin automatic monthly account reviews to see if you qualify to upgrade to an unsecured card and get your deposit back. The Discover It Secured credit card offers decent rewards, especially for a secured card. 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 in combined purchases every quarter. 1% unlimited cash back on all other purchases. 2x unlimited cash back, dollar for dollar match of all your earned cash back at the end of the first year. You can earn the 2% cash back rewards when you shop at gas stations and restaurants. You can use your card anywhere. Discover is accepted to earn another 1% cash back on everything else. Discover is accepted at 99% of merchants nationwide. The Discover It Secured credit card is best for people with no credit history who are looking to build and prove responsible credit worthiness. If you don't qualify for a traditional credit card and need a secured card to start your credit journey, the Discover It Secured credit card is a fantastic option. For those who qualify for traditional credit cards, you may want to skip the Discover It Secured credit card. You can redeem your rewards a few different ways, including shopping at Amazon.com with PayPal account credit, physical check mailed to you if you haven't used your rewards within 18 months, free access to your FICO credit score, updated monthly reports to the major credit bureaus, $0 fraud liability guarantee, ensuring that you didn't have to pay for unauthorized purchases, free overnight card replacement, fraudulent activity checks, and online privacy protection, free alerts to let you know if your social security number is used on the dark web.